Hello everyone, Camille Thompson here. I am so excited that you are a part of this group, and that's simply because I want to share with you on strategies and tactics on how to effectively market your e-commerce business as a service provider. You see, you may have a website, but if you aren't getting any traffic and if you don't know how to market it effectively, then as a result, you won't profit anything, right? So in this group, I'm going to be sharing with you many different topics. We will break things down week by week. So I'm going to need you to show up for your business so you can get the most out of it. We will be covering many different topics, but we will break things down week by week so you can process the information and implement them to get the most out of it. We will be covering topics such as dominating domain through the board so you can get the most out of it, as well as positioning your products and services. We want to find those customers, right? We also want to learn about inventory management, time management, how to structure your branding, right? You want to learn where to position and where to find these customers to get them to purchase from you, right? You also want to leverage it, dominating all platforms, right? You want to learn how to find funding to fund your inventory system. So there's so much different topics to cover, but we will break things down and go through them so you can get the most out of it. Now, I want to say to you that this profit you nothing if you don't implement, right? At the end of the day, information changes situation, but you must execute so you can get the most out of your business and increasing sales in your business. That's what we're here for, to make money. So I am so happy to be here to be that branding coach, to share these information with you. But all I ask for you to do is just to implement them while we talk about them, because I want you to get the most out of it. So if this sounds like you and if you're excited about this, I am. So I hope that you are excited as well. Do me a favor, drop me a comment here below. Let me know that you've watched this video. If you have any comment, question, concern, feedbacks, go ahead and drop it because I want to hear from you. So if you are here, right now, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you around. Stick around week by week so you can execute. Take care. Camille Thompson here, your branding coach.